So bringing the foot forward in your Vinyasa practice or your yoga practice, if you're struggling with this with the hands on the floor in downward dog, the other option, just to practice this, it's not as easy throughout your flow to use the blocks, but if you want to practice this and get a sense of how it feels, you can take some blocks underneath the hands to practice stepping forward. So similar to the other tutorial, we still need to round through the upper back. So bring the hands to the block, toes to under, push back to a downward dog. We won't stay here too long. And we rise onto the toes, bring the right knee into the chest, gaze comes forward, and we transition forward. Keep rounding through the upper back to create that space to bring the foot through. Stepping back once more, I'll show you the other side. Rising onto the toes, knee hugs in. From here, you really want to be rounding through the upper back all the way through. Gaze to the foot, to the hands. Step left foot through. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how it will feel to eventually bring your foot forward. And let me know in the comments if something works or doesn't work.